Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick way to delete your WordPress website from Hostinger. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and if you see this video helpful to you, hit on the notification bell so that you won't be missing out videos like this. So let's get started. The first thing is that you simply need to log into your Hostinger account. So once you're there, you are going to see that is your hosting plan. You click on it. So after that, you are going to see website name at the right hand side, at the left hand side of your browser. That is, you see it here. You simply need to choose the domain name in which you want to delete your WordPress website from. So after choosing it, you are going to see file manager, or if in case you don't see file manager here, you simply scroll down, you click on what files, and you click on what file manager. So you simply need to click on what access files from your from the WordPress website you want to delete, that is from your domain name. Click on it. It is going to take us to another interface where you simply click on public. From here now, you simply need to highlight all this and delete it. So after which you simply click here, you are going to see delete button up here. Click on it. After that, you click on what delete. So guys, we are done deleting those files. So we'll go back to our Hostinger. From there now, we simply need to delete the database of that WordPress website. Scroll down, click on what database, click on what management. So guys, scroll down, you are going to see the database. Click on these three dots here. After that, you click on what delete. So you simply click on what confirm. So guys, if you now go to your browser and search for your domain name, it is going to show you error. So let's test it. So guys, we have actually deleted our WordPress website from our Hostinger account. So that is why you are getting this error. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.